Solar System question answers. How many planets in our solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Which is the blue planet in our solar system? Earth is the blue planet in our solar system. Which planet has rings about it? Planet Saturn has rings about it. Which is the red planet in our solar system? Mars is the red planet in our solar system. Which planet is called morning or evening star? Planet Venus is called morning or evening star. Solar system is located in which galaxy? Solar system is located in Milky Way galaxy. Which is the brightest planet in our solar system? Venus is the brightest planet in our solar system. Which is the most beautiful planet in our solar system? Saturn is the most beautiful planet in the solar system. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Which planet is farthest from the Sun? Planet Neptune is farthest from the Sun. A group of stars is known as constellation. Constellation. Which planet has slowest revolution in our solar system? Neptune has the slowest revolution in our solar system. Which planet has fastest revolution in our solar system? Mercury has the fastest revolution in our solar system. Which planet is known as Earth twin? Venus is known as Earth twin. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Which is the coldest planet in our solar system? Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system. Which is the second coldest planet in our solar system? Neptune is the second coldest planet in our solar system. Which is the name of Earth's natural satellite? Moon is the Earth's natural satellite. Which is the only planet where life exists? Earth is the only planet where life exists. What are gas giant planets in our solar system? Jupiter and Saturn are gas giant planets in our solar system. Which planet has great red spot? Planet Jupiter has great red spot. Which planet has most moons? Saturn has most moons. Which planet is the heaviest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is the heaviest planet in our solar system. How hot is the surface of the Sun? 10,000 Fahrenheit. Which planet has the shortest day? Mercury has the shortest day in our solar system.